Hi friends, today we will learn how to make Adam's clasp in easy steps. So we will make it on tooth number 4-6, that is first permanent molar. The first step involves we will mark the distal third, the middle third and the mesial third, and then the occlusal third, the middle third and the cervical third. This will help in easy fabrication of the Adam's clasp. Now the second step is we will take the 21 gauge straight wire and mark the approximate width of the bridge. This would be the mesial distal dimensions of the molar. And now the third step involves making a 90-degree bends at both the bridge width. So we will make a loop, that is U type of loop with 90 degrees bends. Now the fourth step is we will do the markings for the arrowheads. These markings should be very near to our 90-degree bends, and then we will bend it like so that it forms an arrowheads in the shape of the arrowheads, as you can see over here. Now the fifth step is turning these arrowheads into 90-degree bends, as you can see over here. So now we can appreciate that there is the formation of this bridge with the arrowheads. Now we will begin with our sixth step, that is a $1 million bend. First outwards and then forwards. So this is a $1 million bend, again outwards and then forwards. So we have to keep the parallelism always, as we can see over here. Now our bridge is completely formed and our arms are engaging into the embrasure, occlusal embrasure, as you can see over here. Now the seventh step involves adapting the arms into the occlusal embrasure and converting it into the lingual adaptation. So the eighth step is going for the lingual adaptation right from the occlusal embrasure up to the vestibular depth. So we will do the markings accordingly and proceed with our lingual adaptation. So now beginning with the ninth step, we will form the retentive tags. So we will engage the ends of the arms into our universal plier, rotate it and form the retentive tags in both the arms.
Easy, baby. Easy, baby.
So now after forming the retentive tags, we will proceed with the final adaptation all over, and to have a uniform passive appliance, that it should freely fall into the embrasure and adapt freely, and it should not be active appliance. So we are just going to do the final adaptation in our last and final 10th step. So this was all about the easy fabrication of Adam's clasp in 10 easy steps. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.